Welcome back to the class. So in this class now we'll be looking at derivative of products. So now let's see how to explain that better. Now, given y equals to u times v, which is c times v uv, c times v uv. So now the y over the x is given as u, given as u the v over what? The n. The y over the x is equals to u the v over what? The x plus v the u over what? The x. So we pick u first, then you find the derivatives of the v over the x. Then when you pick v, you find the derivatives of the u over what? The x. Thanks for watching this video. In the next class, we'll be solving questions on derivatives of products. See you.